Hello friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to see how to control water pump using mobile phone. We will make use of RemoteXY app. So let's get started. Click here on Start Now. The UI is visible for designing the project. First we will do configuration. We will choose Bluetooth as a mode of communication. Choose ESP32 board. Select Bluetooth on chip. Opt for Arduino IDE. Now drag this switch control into the design. Set GPIO 13 for switch which will operate relay for the water pump. Now get the source code. Follow these 5 steps to execute the project. This is the code generated by RemoteXY. Now download this code and save it in the proper folder. Unzip the code file. Open this file in Arduino IDE. Select board and COM port. Now install the RemoteXY library. Our code is ready. Let's compile and upload the code into the ESP32 board. Let us see how to download the RemoteXY app on the mobile phone. Click here. Scan the QR code. And download and install app. Open RemoteXY app. Click here and add new device. Click on Bluetooth. Select BLE. Turn on the mobile Bluetooth. Select RemoteXY. RemoteXY UI which we created is visible. See the setup. The water pump immersed in water. ESP32 based setup with relay driver circuit. And the tank. Let us turn on water pump. Turn pump off. That's it for today. In this video we have seen how to control water pump using RemoteXY app through Mobule. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video then please hit like button. Please share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.